This is an overview of the library research project for critical reading and thinking. The first thing that you'll need to do is access the pages in your companion that reference the assignment, and they begin on page 6A. The first page is just an overview of the different parts of the assignment, as well as a grading rubric that tells you how many points are assigned to each part. The first part is an orientation or a quiz. There is a PowerPoint posted in Blackboard that will help you answer these questions, and some of my classes actually complete a library scavenger hunt, so I will give you that page separately. The other thing to note on the first page is the late paper policy. You will receive a 10-point penalty if you turn the assignment in up to 1 week late, a 20-point penalty if the assignment is up to 2 weeks late, and after 2 weeks you receive a 0 on the assignment. Part 1 of the library project involves using your Facts on File article that I will show you how to access in another tutorial. You're going to choose an article on a controversial issue to do some research on. You're going to use that article to write a detailed summary in this section. It should be 2 to 3 pages long, typed, double-spaced. You're going to write a separate 1/2 to 3/4 of a page paper explaining your position, your opinion on the topic that you've chosen, and use facts from that article to support your position. Part C involves using the keywords and points section of your Facts on File article. The keywords and points are located at the very end of the article. You're just going to write them into this box, and then you're going to search 2 of them in the EBSCOhost database. You're going to search the first keyword and write down 1 fact and a second fact, and then you're going to search the second one and you're going to write down 1 fact and the second fact. There is another tutorial that will show you how to use EBSCOhost. The next part of the assignment involves giving an oral presentation about your topic. You should be able to summarize both the supporters' views as well as the opponents' views and give your opinion. I try to tell students that they should aim for between 3 and 5 minutes for this presentation. And this page will tell you all of the different things that you need to do in order to earn all of your points on that presentation. Most notably, make sure that you include facts and be sure to include a conclusion. Say, in conclusion, and then review your points. Part 2 of the library project involves searching the computer databases. You're going to search the Delaware Library Catalog to find 3 books that would be appropriate to your topic. You're going to use EBSCOhost Masterfile Premier to search for 3 magazine articles appropriate to your topic. And you're going to use EBSCOhost Newspaper Source Plus to search for 3 newspaper articles appropriate to your topic. You will not use ProQuest as the paper suggests. You also need to know that none of these articles or books actually have to be printed out or checked out. You simply need to record the source information so that I know you know how to find research material. The last part of the library project involves using your skills from the previous chapters to evaluate an article on your issue. You are going to find your own article using EBSCOhost about your topic. You may not use the Facts on File article for this portion of the assignment, so you need to find an additional article and then you're going to evaluate it. This part should also be typed, and you should include a copy of the article that you're using to answer these questions. So that's an overview of the library project. There are additional tutorials that will help you understand how to complete each one of those sections in depth. I hope this helps.